So hello everyone, again welcome to TechOrbit channel. So in this lecture I am going to continue with this Excel series. So in this there is a sum operation is also pending. So I'm just mm, going to teach that uh, pending two or three operations. So so how many operations I teach you? First operation is that sorting. First operation is that sorting I teach you. So I'm just going to write here so you can also aware with that. So first operation I teached you taught you what is that is a sorting. Then second operation is I taught you that is a freezing operation, or we can defreezing, do, do freezing. Then find and replace I done. Then how many types of we can paste the copy and paste the value. Okay, paste methods I told you. Okay, and then I in that I basically I told you that value in value and transpose transpose pasting and the with formula. That three basically I told you. Then fifth I teach you how we then fifth I will teach you the filter, how we can do filter. And then I will teach you filter and the advanced filter, both I will teach you. Okay, then after advanced filter I will teach you that how we can delete duplicate, how we can remove the duplicates. Okay, so these two is basically pending in this for. So first I will teach you what is this filter, what is the meaning of that filter. So filter means suppose suppose you want to see a specific data. Suppose you want to suppose you have one column. Okay, you have customer data. Okay, customer data, and here is the ID, customer ID. Here is the customer name. Okay, and here is the customer phone number. Okay, 1 2 3 4, and here is the customer name is Ram, Raghav, Syam, Pooja, like that. There is some number. There is a lots of. Now you have customer. Suppose you have lots of Ram with name, but the ID will be unique. Okay, so I told you I want the Ram with the phone number is this and the ID is this. I want all the detail. There is a lots of detail about that customers. I want all the details. So what you will do? You will scroll all the data? No. You have ID. Suppose the customer ID is a 3. Okay. They want the data of customer 3. Okay. So on that time, okay, this is the visual, this is the SAM. Okay, I will do. But if you have millions of data and they told you, I want the data of customer, the ID has 101. This is the ID. You will scroll all the data. No, no. On that time, what you will do? You can use filter. You can use filter. You can filter the data. You can search by this ID and you can find that that is the filter. Okay. At advanced filter, this is the advanced like some like advanced filter. Suppose you have this data. Okay, you can do advanced filtering. Advanced filtering means you can copy. Suppose you have this data. When you open that advanced filter, there will be one panel. In that panel there will be lots of operation, criteria range, where you want to paste that range, like lots of things. I think that not mandatory for use. This is the use when you want to search. That is a basically use. That is not is you in using part that advanced filter. In analysis basically that normal filter is okay, but I will teach you that advanced filter also. Okay, then what is that remove duplicates? What is the meaning of remove duplicates? Means suppose you have customers, I told you ID. Okay, you have ID and you know the company is telling the customers have a unique ID. Okay, unique ID 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, like that. But somewhere the again one customers have ID is one. Okay, but you know no, one customer have one unique ID. Two customer cannot have same ID, but these two customers have same ID. That is impossible. Okay, that is impossible. So the company told you remove one customer. whatever that customer, remove that, keep only one customer with that ID and remove all the customers. So what that time? There is only two one one. But suppose you have lots of data. You have lots of data. You have one, two, three. Then again you have customer with one ID. Then four, five. Then again you have then six, seven. Then again you. What you will do? You will manually you will delete this. You will click here then delete. You will click here then delete. You will click here then delete. No, no, you cannot do this. Okay. You, that is a waste of your time. What that time you can use remove duplicate. What it will do, it will just select that range, just select that range and click on that remove duplicates. What it will do, it will remove all that one, expect, just it will keep one one and it will remove all the one. So that is the it will, it is help to removing that all the duplicates value, it is not useful. Okay, so now I will teach you in that interface. So first, what filter? Okay, so suppose this is, okay, so I will just select this range. Okay, just click on that filter, it will apply the filter here. When you click on that filter in drop down, there is a lots of thing, there is a lots of thing here. The sorting is also available, sort by color. Okay, like that. Number filter, you can do number filter. How you can do? Equal of this, does not equal of this, greater than or less than, between, top 10, like that. Here you can, suppose you want 20 number. Okay, you don't want all, you want to see all the details of 20 numbers. What you can see, you just click on that 20 number and you just click on that and okay, here just 20 numbers is filter. Okay, now what you can do, if you want to remove the filter, just click on that, clear the filter. Okay, it will clear the filter. This is the formatting that is the for, suppose click on that, it will 90, 90 is a like a most largest value. Okay, so it's the color scale. There's lots of thing is available here. Okay, so that is all the things. So that is a filter. Now I will teach you what is the advanced filter. Okay, so advanced filter is nothing, just copy this and just select this range. When you select this, just click on that. Okay, when you click on this, when you click on this, it will come here, copy to another location. Means you want to copy and you want to paste in another location using that advanced filter with unique record. You can see here there is a 50-50. Okay, unique record means they all the values should be unique. There is a no, there is a no should be there is a na, like there's a 50-50. So you cannot keep that duplicate value, same value two times. Okay, the unique records you want to paste in different location. Okay, so you just copy this criteria. Okay, you just click on here. Okay, just copy this criteria. Okay, list range you copied, criteria range is a 50, you don't want 50, and copy where you want to paste. I want to paste here, I want to copy to here, and you copy it and you want unique record, you just click here and okay. Reference is not valid. Okay, criteria range. Okay, so you can see here there is a no 50, it's copied and remove that and it pasted. It's two, it's done with two tasks. What two tasks? It's copied that, it's removed the duplicates and it's pasted in a different place. That is the work of the advanced filter. That is not basically useful in analysis, the majorly they are using this only. That's it. Okay, so that is a filter and advanced filter. Now I will teach you what is the duplicate. Here you can see, here also it's remove the duplicate. Okay, basically you can see, but here did two tasks, removed and pasted in different places. Here I will just remove the duplicate, so I will just select the range. Okay, and here in data tab there is a remove duplicates option, just click on that, expand the selection. Okay, continue with the current selection. So I will, it is showing something. Oh, no, sorry, it is showing you want to expand the selection, means you want to expand the selection. I said no, continue with current selection, whatever I selected on that only just remove duplicate. So remove duplicate, column C, one duplicate value found and removed, 11 unique value remain. Note that counts may include empty cell. Okay, click on that. So it's removed that. But you can see here when you selecting range, now control shift page down, it's coming with this, it's removed with 150. So duplicates remove, that is also part of the cleaning. Filter is also the part of the analysis, the best part of the analysis. Okay, so that all the things. Now I will teach you in, I have one data set, I will attach that data set. So I will import that data set. Okay, so here the Excel, I will click on that Excel, I will import that Excel. So here this data set I have, and I will click here. It's opening, it will take time some. I want all that, I just want to load. Okay, okay, so just new worksheet, only create connections. Table, new worksheet, and it will create that. I don't know why that get data is taking time. It is working very slowly. I have to restart my laptop. I think the power creator is a little bit not working. I think something is hanging in my laptop. Okay, okay. So you can see here. I will attach this. I will attach this, and you can suppose one thing I want to teach you. Suppose this is a city and this is a year. This is a sport discipline. You can see that alignment is not perfect. Somewhere that year with a four digit, but it's not properly visible. You can see this is a 1976, but due to the space, it's not visible perfectly. So what you will do? What you will do here also, the discipline is not perfectly visible, the country code also is perfectly not visible. It's like alignment is not perfect. So what you will do? What you will do? What you will do? You will do like this. So if you have like hundreds of columns, so every column you will do like this. No, what you can do, you just click on here. You just click on here. Ah, I know one technique here. Okay, so Control Shift. Wait, wait a minute. I'm telling you shortcut. Ouch. Okay, just click on here and just click, select all the, and click and double tap here with this double tap. It will anyway. Suppose again I want to show you. Suppose this. Okay, now just Control A. Okay, just Control A, and just when that type of symbol came now, just double click. You can see in one time all done. Okay, so that is the how you that you can do alignment. All the operation, whatever that all the operation, just keep practice all the things. How many operation I told you? Again I can write here, so you can know how many operations we did. Okay, so you can practice with that data set, whatever I am attaching. Okay, so first I told you sorting, then second I teach you that freezing. Okay, then I teach you replace, find and replace I teach you. Okay, after find and replace I teach you how many times we can paste the data, paste methods. Okay, after paste method I teach you uh like filter and removing duplicate, that too. Okay, so that also you can add, and you do practice with that data set. I am attaching with this data set with you. Practice with this data set. Okay, suppose currently when you are doing this, so that column also going with this. Okay, in that also you can do like this. Okay, so suppose you are doing, so that column name also is scrolling with this. But when you scroll this, you scroll with this, how you can know this column, what the meaning of this column, what is the value, what is the meaning of this column. Okay, so what you can do, you can use here, what you can use freezing. You can use freezing in view tab. There is a freezing option. You can freeze the top row, and you can, now you can know, okay, this is the job title, this is the employment. Okay, you can do, suppose in this, just do this and apply filter. Click on this, apply filter. Now I want only 2022 data set, so just click on that. There is a 2022 data set, all the 2022 data set is coming. No, I want 2020 data set, but only data scientist people. So click on here. Wait. So I want this also, so control shift, press this, press this, control this, press this, press this, and okay. So I will teach you that also, how we can do a multiple filter. Okay, so you can filter with this data 2022. You filter this with data, suppose this, you can use, I think it's available. It's not working, but I will teach you that also. Okay, no worries. Just practice that only, whatever I teach you. Then next phase I will tell you that all the operation practice. Then next step I will tell you. Okay, so then